So learning is a success. So you all believe in success. You all want to be successful now. So you have to learn. How to learn? What is the skill to learn? Many times now we forget. Now what I have to do tomorrow? You all will have a lot of plans in your life, but you start thinking, by the time you get up in the morning, what I was thinking yesterday, what was my plan? Okay, so what you fail the very next day is, you forget. Every one of us forget. We tend to forget. Definitely I am telling you, we tend to forget. If you start writing, you remember so many things. Next day morning, get up, start. What is your task 1, task 2, task 3? Start ticking all that once you finish. Once you finish all the tasks, just keep on finishing, and what you have to do next day, keep on writing it. So if you make the note, you will not forget. Okay? Now one thing you need to understand, next thing is internal communication skill is very much important. See, as a student, you are not just communicating with your teachers. Some students are very, very comfortable with only teachers. Some students are comfortable with only friends. You should be communicating with everyone. You should not establish your own comfort zone. So you are now the beginners. You are the early birds now. You have to communicate with everybody, go with the team, go with the flow, go be with everybody so that you reach your one goal. After reaching one goal, you have to only prove your development. There you don't require many friends. 1, 2 friends is enough. Why I'll tell you is, why you require friends? Why you require the group? Why you require the team? Why? Quality. Each one will have their own capability. We can share. Sharing is caring. We have to share. We have to care of each other. Don't have your own set of groups and start speaking to every one of them. Don't keep language as a barrier. Most of you feel very difficult to communicate with English, and you are happy to speak in your own regional language. So what you do, don't come out of that. So when you start communicating with your friends, you start learning. So this is another skill where you have to learn. So internal communication with your friends, learn, speak. Don't speak in their regional language, stop that. Okay? Start speaking in English from today onwards. If you are speaking in any of the regional languages, stop here only. Start speaking in English only, I am telling you. Regional language is also always comfortable because the type of words we use, that is different. But start speaking in English. That will improve your communication. And when you start communicating with your friends as well, you will get a lot. You will understand a lot. So in addition to that, you have to talk to others. Don't be introvert. That is very, very important, I am telling you. Not only that, internal, you should also have interpersonal communication skill. What is interpersonal communication skill? It will go hand in hand. You should speak with each other. See, the reality of the situation is all human beings are always communicating with each other. Whether we like it, we don't know. As a management student, you should always be aware of an individual. You should always be understanding what others are telling. Sometimes some people will tell intentionally, sometimes some people will tell unintentionally. Out of anger you speak. True, no? Out of anger many of us will react. Out of frustration many of us will react. It is not intentionally we speak. It is unintentionally it comes in us. But what happens after that? Result? Suddenly you get angry, mouth will speak. This is actually to be pampered, right? But what you will do? Punishment for this. Punishment, whom you have to give? You have to hit here only, not, and don't do that, okay? This will speak, but the punishment is coming for something else. After that we regret, but when we start regretting, we should learn again.
See, everyone of us are from the different backgrounds and all. The only thing I want to say, don't start playing mind games here. Like, we all are here for something good. Like, we all are here for a master's degree. Don't start like, don't want to talk to this, don't want to talk to this. Cool. We all are friends. It's okay, but don't start doing this, that don't making conspiracies for anyone else.
Really good.
If you
She felt like telling something from the heart. She told a very important thing that is there. And one more thing I will tell you, if they start making conspiracy thing, it is not for me. Anything good, it is for me. Anything bad, no. That's it. If something is coming as bad, it is not for me. If something is good, oh, it's for me. Start thinking like that. Start from today onwards, you start cultivating that. Because everywhere you have people, see, this is what you say, multiple behavior. Tell what's your name?
My name is Anjali Prasad.
Yeah, now speak out.
Most of you know me, but few of you are new. So I'm Anjali Prasad. I'm here to join MBA. And one message from my side, I think we all should maintain the correct body posture while sitting in the class. That's very important. And another point, there are many people who are unable to communicate because of the language issues. Rest of us should help them. And those who are having those issues, if anyone comes to correct you, please don't mind. Take up that constructive criticism and use it.
Exactly. Exactly. Why should I learn from them? Why should you have that? If somebody is having something good, start learning. And you will get lot of skills if you start learning. So that is why learning is very important. So you should maintain an attitude of learning. See, I told you, if anybody is having any skill, just ask, just try, see and learn. Sometimes you may not get from them, but you can see and learn. You see, there might be some individuals who are liked by many. Then see why Abdul Kalam was liked by many. How many of you like Abdul Kalam? 101. All like. What is there in him? Many things, yes. 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 He has never concentrated on him. He didn't work for him, but he worked for all. Today also his quotes are there. He's still alive. So you should be more organized. So now start setting a goal now only, what you have to become in your life. You can be big goal, nothing to worry. So when you have to always know, you have to always think big. When you start thinking big, you will start working for that. When you start thinking small, okay, this is enough, I will be satisfied with this. You cannot satisfy. You have to satisfy yourself, you have to satisfy one more member of your family, many members of your family, you have to satisfy. If possibility is there, you can satisfy your parents who have given you so much. They'll be so happy. We may not give as much as, if my parent has given 1000 rupees as a pocket money, I may not give, but maybe at least I can give him 100 rupees, something at least back. Or I may give 2000 rupees. So think, if he has given me 1000 rupees, I will give 2000 rupees, but he is not ready to take 2000 rupees. He is not ready to take 1000 rupees, he will take only 500 rupees. That is what parent is. But he will be happy that my child, he or she, again there is no general, their parent, they will be happy that my child, whatever I have given them, they are able to make it. They don't expect, but they are able to make it. At least we can give them love. That much we can do. Okay? So set goals. What are the strategies? How to reach my goal? How I can work on that? What are the tactics? Today everything work with tactics. You have to work smart also. Hard working alone will not help you. Smart working is very important because today you are in such a technological place, technological era where you can work very, very smart. Active, you have to be an active listener. If you be a good listener, see sometimes when somebody is telling you something, you should listen full. You listen half and you react By the time you react, they forget what to tell. And many times you get beatings for that. Better to listen. Listen first, take completely, understand, then you interpret. So that is also very important for, I am telling you, for management students. Be an active listener, okay? Be persuasive, push them. You should always push them for further. You have to persuade, you have to be an active, good team member. When you are in a team, you should motivate. See, I will tell you, when you are in a team, because of that fellow we lost. You should never tell, because of this particular fellow I lost. No. Make them, teach them, and the entire team should win. That is the role of a team leader. When you have a team, each one is a leader. So motivate them, and you should never tell, "Ayo, why we took that person in my team, we lost." No. Teach them to win the team. That is the role of a team leader. You have to do that. Okay.